Hello everyone. Under nutrition and health, till now we have gone through the various definitions of nutrition. Then, why good nutrition is essential. Then, definition of food, definition of food stuff, then nutrients or food factors, then essential nutrients, and after that classification of food based on various criterias or on different criterias. And in the last lecture we had a discussion on balanced diet or judicious diet, its definition, and why balanced diet is essential. And then we began our discussion with the first nutrient, that is proteins. We have seen the definition of proteins and switched our discussion to biological role of proteins or significance of proteins or importance of proteins. Then two important functions we had discussed in the last lecture, that is protein act as biocatalyst and second protein molecule act as a transfer proteins. Then next function of protein is some protein perform nutritive and storage function. Say for example, ferritin stores iron and albumin acts as nutritive protein. Ferritin stores iron, it is an example of storage protein, and albumin acts as a nutritive protein which helps in nutrition or nourishing the body. Then next function of protein is plasma proteins helps to maintain blood volume. We all know that a fixed quantity of blood is always present in our body. So for maintaining that particular volume, plasma proteins helps. Then next function is some proteins regulate cellular or physiological activity, or you can say biological activity, in the form of substance called hormones. Say for example, insulin. We all know insulin is a protein hormone and its primary function is carbohydrate metabolism in our body, to control carbohydrate metabolism. So most of the hormones are there, they are nothing but chemically proteins. Next function is proteins are involved in genetic regulation. When we talk about genetic factor or hereditary characteristics, the genes which are involved in this genetic regulation, they are nothing but proteins or specialized proteins. Then next function is many proteins protect organs or cells or tissues from invasion of microorganisms by clotting of blood. Say for example, thrombin. You all know in clotting process thrombin is involved. There are number of factors which are involved in blood coagulation. One of them is thrombin, which is converted into, I think, which brings about conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin, I think so. I am not sure, but it is involved in blood coagulation process. Thereby it stops entry of microorganisms from that particular point from where blood is coming out. Then next function is proteins are involved in biosynthesis of many vital substances. You might be knowing that these are interchangeable substances, that is proteins can be converted into lipids or fats or carbohydrates whenever they are required, or even various other substances, they are formed from proteins which are biologically important one. Then proteins are fundamental constituents of cell organs, that we all know, and cell membranes. That is, they are the basic component from which your cell membrane is made up of or cell wall is made up of. Then next function is they can be converted to lipids and carbohydrates when required, that we have already seen. Then many proteins serve as supporting filament or sheath to give strength to biological structures. For example, ligament contain elastin, and you all know ligaments hold two bones, helps to hold the two bones. So ligament contains elastin, which is a protein. Then fingernails and hairs contain keratin, again which is a protein. So around 11 functions we have discussed so far. Out of these you have to remember at least 7 or 8 functions, if sometimes 4 marks question is asked. So each function will carry half mark to 1 mark. Now friends, with regard to deficiency conditions which are related to proteins, there are two deficiency diseases which are more popular, rather which are called as protein carbohydrate malnutrition. Number one is Kwashiorkor disease and number two is marasmus. So Kwashiorkor disease and marasmus are the two deficiency conditions which are related with deficiency of proteins.